Well, hello, everyone. Welcome to a quick EMS World podcast. I have the opportunity here to talk to the EMS Avenger, Jimmy Apple. Jimmy, thanks for taking time away from your busy both EMS and social media schedule to just talk a few minutes with me about EMS World Expo. So thanks for joining.
Absolutely. And I appreciate you having me. And I love that I get to work with EMS World. Obviously, you know, we're going to acknowledge that it's the largest EMS gathering in the world, right? And it's what's cool about it is that it's a gathering that comes to you. There's lots of EMS events all over the United States, and some of them are just prohibited from getting to. Like people from California, may have trouble getting to something like EMS Pro in Connecticut or vice versa. This is one that just, if it's in Orlando this year, it's going to be where? New Orleans next year. It's
Yep.
been in Indianapolis, it's been in Las Vegas. And this is one that tries to get as close to you as possible every year. And one thing that I love about EMS World is how large a community it is, right? Tell me how important it is to plug yourself into a community.
Oh, it's so important. So, acknowledging your first comment, we definitely travel to multiple cities around the country. Geography is important so that we can try and get to the largest amount of the EMS world as we possibly can. But an EMS community is super important. It's super important because there's a lot you can read in a textbook. There's a lot you're going to see in your patients, but you're not going to see every patient and you're not going to read everything in your textbook. And this is a real opportunity in 3D to speak to people, your peers, your mentors, people you've never met before, but acknowledge that they're the experts in the field, subject matter experts. So to be able to spend 3 to 5 days with this community is really important. And I think that we all can educate ourselves. We all have to take ACLS or BCLS if you're a BLS provider. Right? These are classes that we have to maintain our proficiency in. But there's nothing like hearing it directly from an expert and then going to speak to them and then walking down the hallway and seeing the device that they were talking about 5 minutes ago in their classroom and be able to get your hands on it, play with it, and see if it's the right device for you and your organization.
Absolutely. And when you think about it, the experience of the provider on a daily basis, the community that they experience is much different than the what the EMS community is as a whole. You might come into some rural EMS station, very small station, where you clock in on a computer and then you just kind of hang out where there's a couple of recliners and an ambulance bay. You get a call, you respond to, you know, what would be called like the frontage road or something like that to pick someone up that you see several times a month and you bring them to your local community hospital where maybe their ER has, maybe 15 beds all separated by a curtain. And you don't really get a sense of the vastness of what EMS is, right? And so you
Yeah.
come to EMS world and it's like, oh my God, this is this is something to behold, right? And not only that, but maybe you're getting your education by, seeing me on TikTok or Facebook or something like that, or watching some of the other digital online creators. And you don't get the experience of meeting subject matter experts in person and getting to have conversations with them and getting to expand on all that knowledge that you just kind of been flipping through in 2 minute segments, in when you're home. So I think there's something to be said for the first time or the second or third or fourth time plugging your plugging yourself in to the amazing community that EMS is outside of just what it is to you locally.
Yeah, and EMS World is certainly a place where I see people come up to the big board and they just see the vastness of types of classes, of number of classes that we have. And I think one of the most important pieces is that you can't get overwhelmed, right? You can't get overwhelmed, just like we shouldn't on calls. You can't get overwhelmed in your educational life either. And so there is something for everyone. We have 25 pre-conferences that range everything from someone who just became an EMT to someone who's been a critical care paramedic for, 20 years. We have 180 plus presentations over the 3 days, Wednesday to Friday. So there's absolutely something for everyone. Don't get overwhelmed. Look at what's interesting to you. Go to our app and just search kind of what you want to see and just focus on what you want to learn. And really, That's the beauty of what EMS World offers. Now, that's of course in addition to 300,000 square feet of exhibit space with all the toys and devices that are out there. But yeah, there's really something for everyone, and I think that's a key unique feature of EMS World Expo.
I don't want to undersell too the vendor space because people don't even really get it,
Yeah.
until you walk in there the first time. I can remember going to Egypt and seeing the pyramids the first time. It looks cool on your TV, but when you're standing in front of the Great Pyramid for the first time, you weren't prepared for how big that was and how incredible that was. You're not prepared for that vendor hall. When you walk in there, it's absolutely amazing. And, just the bag of swag you're going to come home with walking through there is already pretty cool. But then all the toys, I mean, toys kind of like, it, all the equipment in there and the interventions and the people that have put blood, sweat, and tears behind there, things that are emerging technologies that you might not see for 10 years, but still represent advances in medicine. It's a pretty cool thing. But I wanted to circle back to the education because it really is a bespoke experience for a provider, right? For
Yeah.
your local conferences, which I do want to emphasize how important local conferences are. We're not competing with local conferences. This is just, something that exists also. But at a local conference, sometimes when you're trying to get your specific hours, you might be going to a class that, maybe you've heard this before. Maybe it doesn't interest you all that much. And you're kind of going, because I kind of have to get these hours right here. You can create a bespoke experience at EMS World. Like every single class for you can be something that you are very, very interested in. And you don't have to make that sort of sacrifice. So there's something there for everyone.
Awesome. Well, I know we said we keep this to just a few minutes, so I appreciate your time. I don't think we've ever had our exhibit hall compared to Giza and Saqqara in Egypt, but I'll take it. I look forward to seeing you in a few weeks. And again, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Josh.